That water looks so clean and clear and refreshing. It is glacier runoff water. That is actually one of the fastest rushing falls that I've seen yet. Hello friends. Well, I've decided to take a trip through the Canadian Rockies. So let's go see what we can find. Well, there's a short little hike as soon as you come in to the town of Jasper. It's called the Moline Canyon. You can do a longer hike and a shorter hike. I'm just going to do the quick one to take a look at the canyon. Wow, this is quite something. You can see how the water has carved out this canyon. And there's the water way down there. And there is a waterfall here somewhere, so that's what I'm going to try to find right now. Well, by the sounds of things, it sounds like I'm getting closer to it. Well friends, it was probably half a kilometer walk to get here, right off the parking area. And here is the Moline Canyon waterfall. That water looks so clean and clear and refreshing. It is glacier runoff water, so it has that wonderful clean blue sort of color to it. Well, I have literally been inside Jasper Provincial Park for about 10 minutes and I've already come across this, so if that's a sign of things to come, I really look forward to exploring this area. So about 15 minutes south of Jasper, you can go to visit Athabasca Falls. It is literally right off the highway. The parking area is right there. The only thing is, it is quite busy here. It's quite a touristy sort of area, but we'll go up here and we'll check out the falls. Well, the Athabasca River is actually quite a large river, and you can get a glimpse of it flowing here. And we'll walk around and take a look at the waterfalls on the other side here. So here's the view right from the top of the falls. That is actually one of the fastest rushing falls that I've seen yet. That is quite something. That is pretty impressive. There's also another walking trail that takes you more down into the canyon, so we'll go down there and check that out. According to the sign back there, this actually used to be part of the flow of rushing water over the canyon, but it's receded its way back to where it is now over the course of years. So all this was eroded by the flow from that waterfall at one time. Even though it's a little busy here, it's sort of a touristy area, there's no hiking trail to get to the falls. You just pull in off the highway, park, and it's just a short walking path right to the falls, less than 2 minutes. I would advise, if you're in the area, to come by and check it out. Well worth the trip. So continuing south on the number 93 highway, heading south from Jasper towards Lake Louise, Banff, there's another waterfall. It's called Sunwapta Waterfall. It's about a half an hour south of Jasper, and again, there's no hiking trail needed to get to it. Right off the highway, there's a parking area, and then there's a nice paved walking path to the falls. So there's a little walkway that they have built right over top of the falls, and we'll take a look from on top of it. So here's looking down at Sunwapta Falls here. And here's a look at the other side, looking down at the canyon. I found a little path going down towards the base of Sunwapta Falls to get a little bit closer, so I'm going to go and see if I can get a closer shot of the falls. Well, now I got to climb back up this hill. So that was pretty impressive. So that's the Sunwapta Falls and Canyon, half an hour south of Jasper, right off the number 93 highway heading south to Lake Louise. It's really worthwhile.